In this video, we will show you how to operate your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all 24-volt, 11 to 13-inch telescoping string trimmers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, please be advised that these batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Before starting any string trimmer, the power source must be connected. The lockout button is on the side of the handle. It must be fully depressed before the motor can be started. The trigger is underneath the handle. To start the trimmer, push and hold the lockout button. While holding the lockout button, pull the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. The cutting line will wear and break off through normal use. Advance the line whenever you hear the motor running faster than normal or when trimming efficiency diminishes. This will maintain best performance and keep the line long enough to advance properly. While the trimmer is running, bump the trimmer head against the ground. A small amount of line will automatically be released. Repeat this process until the line reaches the cutoff blade and is trimmed to the appropriate length. There is a cutoff blade pre-installed on the guard. The position of this blade determines the length of the cutting line or cutting diameter. The cutoff blade can be rotated to increase the cutting diameter by 2 inches. Be advised this will impact your unit's runtime. Ensure the power source has been disconnected. Remove the screws securing the cutoff blade. Remove the blade and rotate 180 degrees. Reinstall and tighten the blade screw. To adjust the length of the shaft, push the lock button and move the lower shaft to the desired position. Release the lock button to secure the height. The machine can be used for edging sidewalks and walkways. Push the lock button and turn the lower shaft 90 or 180 degrees until it locks into position. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat sources. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.